Leizhan Machinery. Wisdom creates the future. 40 years of the rise of great powers. 40 years of advance triumphantly. We always resonate with the times at the same frequency. Precision manufacturing, tempering, and constantly leading the new trend of China's paper machinery industry. When the wave of the Industry 4.0 revolution swept the world, the grand blueprint of the Made in China 2025 national strategy was unveiled. Leizhan Machinery, China's leading pulping equipment manufacturer, with the historical process of reform and opening up, sets sail strongly, accumulating work, revitalizing the business. Inheriting 5,000 years of cultural heritage and insisting on 40 years of ingenuity and quality. Leizhan Machinery is based on China's famous paper-making town to start a business, focusing on the design, manufacturing, and sales of complete sets of waste paper pulping equipment, and providing comprehensive solutions for paper pulping production lines. Guided by technological innovation, continue to occupy the high end of the industry. Leizhan Machinery has introduced sophisticated machining equipment and a complete quality control management system on a large scale. And Leizhan has obtained 86 patents. The picture reflects the ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management System certification, French BV certification, German TUV certification, focusing on the development, production, and sales of pulping equipment, screening equipment, slag removal equipment, and refining equipment. And Leizhan is second to none in the field of waste paper bale breaking dry screening technology, drum pulper, and middle consistency energy saving screening technology. Ingenuity, manufacture. Quality comes from the strict pursuit of details. Leizhan Machinery integrates the awareness of high-quality products into every production process. From raw material selection, product design, to workshop processing and other aspects, so as to achieve the perfect connection between production concepts and technological innovation. Therefore, these machines help paper-making enterprises to save resources and reduce energy consumption, which are recognized by customers and highly concerned by the government. Constantly strive for self-improvement and forge ahead. With its own core advantages, Leizhan Machinery has successfully completed the transformation to the manufacturing direction of large-scale complete sets of equipment. It has achieved a leap-forward progress in the production and processing annual capacity of 500,000 tons of waste paper pulping equipment, with a production and processing capacity of more than 180 million yuan. Besides, its products sell well in China and overseas. Keep steady, go far. Leizhan Machinery adheres to keep pace with the times and stand up against the tide. As the implementation of One Belt and One Road strategy, Leizhan Machinery has reached a deep cooperation with enterprises from 20 countries and pushed the company's business card to the forefront of the world with its forward-looking and international vision. In Chinese, Lei means continuous accumulation as lots of stones piled together. Zhan means keep forging ahead as the eagle spreads its wings and soars. This is the origin of the name of Leizhan Machinery. With the people-oriented philosophy, Leizhan Machinery gathers an excellent and professional team. Meanwhile, with high-quality product as the guarantee and sincere after-sales service as the backing, Leizhan is committed to providing customers with the best products and creating more wealth for the society. Empower future. The collision between thought and machine drives the progress of the times. The integration of culture and science and technology maintains the lifeblood of enterprise development. Keep steady and go far and make great progress. With the development courage and the extraordinary creation of daring to be the first, Leizhan Machinery has opened up the infinite possibilities of China's paper machinery industry and demonstrated the power of China's intelligent manufacturing to the world.